Gee, I'm a tree. Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about disjunction. And disjunction is another type of connective. Yesterday you saw conjunction. So this time it's a disjunction. And let's first start off by defining exactly what disjunction is. So a disjunction is a statement that connects the two ideas with the word or. Now, yesterday we talked about a conjunction which connected the two ideas with the word and. So right now we're going to talk about the one with the or. Now, first example, I like math or I like English. We have two statements and they're connected by the word or. Now, the truth value of a disjunction, this one gets a little bit different. The truth value of a disjunction is that only one part has to be true in order for the whole thing to be true, which makes sense because for an or statement, we're saying one or the other. It doesn't have to be both. So, a disjunction is false when both parts are false. Otherwise, it's true. Now, in this case, I like math or I like English. You can like math, and that statement will be true. It doesn't matter if you like English or not. The only time this statement is going to be false is if you don't like math and I don't like English. And that means the whole thing is false. So let's take a look at this example. Massachusetts is a state or Long Island is a city. Now, Massachusetts is a state is the first statement. That's true. And or Long Island is a city. That's a false statement. Long Island is not a city. Except for if you go to Long Island City. But we're talking about Long Island, the whole island. So this part of the statement is false. Now, because it's an or, because the first part's true, doesn't matter about the second part, so that means the whole thing is true. Now, take a look at another example. New York is a country and Bellport is a state. New York is a country is a false statement, and Bellport is a state is a false statement as well. Therefore, this should be an or. Sorry about that. New York is a country or Bellport is a state. Because both parts are false, the whole thing is going to be false. And make sure you change that from an and to an or. Now, next part. Just to mention, a symbol for a disjunction is the V. Now, remember yesterday we had the conjunction, which was this one. The disjunction is going to be upside down. This is going to mean the word or. Now, let's take a look at some examples. Let P be I like dogs and Q be I like cats. Now, this is the same thing as yesterday. Remember, I like dogs. That's a true statement. And the cats, I don't like. So we'll dislike that. Now, we have to translate and determine the truth value. So, I like dogs or I like cats. Remember, I like dogs is P. The or is the B. The upside down end. I like cats is Q. Now, P is true. Q is false. Therefore, this whole thing is going to be true because we have the or statement. Take a look at the second one. I do not like dogs. Now, remember, P is I like dogs, so the not here makes that a negation, which we put swiggy, P, would mean I do not like dogs. Or, I like cats. I like cats is Q. Now, not P. P is true, so we put not true or false. Not true means it's false. So I have a false or a false statement means the whole thing is false. Okay? Now, try on your own. Determine the truth value of the following statements. Okay? Tomorrow we will go over these, try on your own, and that's all. If you have any questions, you can feel free to leave a comment or ask me. Otherwise, I'll see you later. Have a great day. Bye.